Integrating colorful modern bathroom accessories, such as a set of green lotion and soap dispensers, a soap tray, and a wall-mounted toilet brush, can elevate the style and ambience of your bathroom. The vibrant green color brings freshness and rejuvenation, while the modern design adds contemporary flair. These accessories not only serve practical purposes, but also become stylish accents that make a statement and enhance the overall aesthetic. Embrace the power of color and stylish functionality to create a bathroom that reflects your personality and makes a lasting impression. By incorporating new lighting techniques and applying styling tips borrowed from main living spaces, you can elevate your bathroom shelving unit into a visually stunning focal point. The addition of task lighting, accent lighting, and backlighting will enhance functionality and ambience. Moreover, by decluttering, curating, and using thoughtful styling choices, you can transform your bathroom shelves into an elegant and organized display that complements the overall aesthetic of your bathroom. Embrace these ideas to create a stylish and inviting atmosphere in your bathroom, turning it into a space that is both functional and visually appealing. Grass look bathroom mats provide a unique and stylish alternative to traditional mats, infusing your bathroom with a touch of nature and tranquility. Beyond their visual appeal, these mats offer a soft and comfortable surface for your bare feet, adding a luxurious element to your daily routine. By incorporating them into your bathroom decor, you create a welcoming and soothing atmosphere that elevates the overall aesthetic of the space. Embrace the natural beauty of grass-look bathroom mats and transform your bathroom into a serene oasis where you can pamper yourself in style and comfort. Incorporating a giant round mirror in your bathroom design is a surefire way to create a striking visual impact and enhance the overall aesthetic. Its oversized presence and unique shape make it a focal point that captures attention and adds a touch of elegance to the space. By spanning the width of two pedestal sinks, the mirror complements their cylindrical design, creating a harmonious visual effect. Additionally, the mirror enhances the sense of space, reflects light, and offers versatility in design styles. Embrace the transformative power of a giant round mirror and elevate your bathroom to a whole new level of style and sophistication. Installing a light beneath the bath panel can transform your bathroom by creating a mesmerizing floating effect. The L-shaped configuration, extending the lighting scheme along with the vanity unit, ensures a cohesive and visually pleasing design. By combining ambient and accent lighting, you can create a versatile and customizable illumination experience. Remember to prioritize safety and accessibility during installation, and consult with a professional electrician. Complement the floating effect with other design elements that enhance the overall aesthetic, such as carefully chosen bath panel materials and finishes. By incorporating lighting beneath the bath panel, you can add a touch of enchantment and elevate the design of your bathroom to new heights. A modern rustic bathroom with a stunning feature wall and a live edge vanity shelf creates a breathtaking space that seamlessly blends contemporary sophistication with the beauty of nature. The feature wall serves as a captivating focal point, while the live edge vanity shelf adds a touch of rustic charm and authenticity. By harmonizing modern and rustic elements, incorporating natural materials and earthy tones, and carefully curating lighting and accessories, you can create a bathroom that exudes elegance, warmth, and timeless appeal. Embrace the allure of a modern rustic aesthetic and transform your bathroom into a breathtaking sanctuary that showcases the perfect fusion of contemporary design and natural beauty. Embracing extraordinary toilet designs, such as a smooth pebble-shaped installation, adds a touch of creativity and uniqueness to your bathroom. By drawing inspiration from nature and incorporating unconventional shapes, you can create a memorable and visually striking element. Balancing the extraordinary with other design elements ensures a cohesive and harmonious environment. While prioritizing functionality and comfort, the extraordinary toilet becomes a statement-making piece that sparks conversations and adds personality to your bathroom. Embracing copper in your bathroom design allows you to create a space that exudes timeless elegance and modern sophistication. The combination of a traditional-style roll-top copper bath and modern copper pedestal sinks strikes the perfect balance between old-world charm and contemporary design. The smooth gray tiled walls provide a stunning visual contrast and enhance the shine of the copper elements. With careful attention to detail and coordination, you can create a deluxe bathroom that exudes warmth, opulence, and a truly unique character. Let copper overflow into your bathroom and enjoy the luxurious and captivating ambience it creates. Designing a chic and elegant understair shower room is a creative challenge that can yield impressive results. By extending the wood floor treatment up the vanity wall, you create a sense of continuity and unity, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal of the space. Incorporating warm and natural elements, such as wood, adds a touch of sophistication and brings a welcoming atmosphere to the understair shower room. Maximizing natural light, using reflective surfaces, and carefully selecting stylish fixtures and accessories are essential considerations for small spaces. With attention to detail and thoughtful design choices, even the smallest of spaces can become chic and elegant sanctuaries in your home. Transforming toilet cistern boxing into a feature wall and embellishing it with typographic bathroom wall decor is an innovative approach to bathroom design. This unconventional setup turns an often overlooked space into a visually captivating focal point. By harmonizing functionality with aesthetics and infusing your personal style through typography, you create a bathroom that is not only functional, but also visually striking and reflective of your individuality. Embrace the unexpected and let your creativity shine in every corner of your bathroom.